na ne yesaya waria pupa na kakuba na ne yesaya kabada sane dede tabarakallah mimiya ya dinya shambala zungo sahama kukane de zotu ku yan warga man kapiga tulima ti ayan pumu kapa japar na kan kuturana na tablana tehni morlan won chambina zan hanye fiyatiti ya won gafara ka ta kana tsanke na ta posin yanya tun to pal alkauli shartin bana duniya zan ha tabarakallah bana masababi ya puna ka hafizu kana ya talla hanjale na poka pa abapam yoma ka bebe kantanga kan nan katar ka ba NTV zuhra yin mun balama na poka pa apam na won nan aparka nan apigo puni ya sai ya dede man pu yala yetu ko warga mo bahya yunu mo Muhammad Hafiz aka G-Face shi topi na nyasi yanka plichin bitum ko pisan karasu goble bombarle ne torle annab no hungar ngo ar ya pu panati vuzo ya ancha kasu palge karman la nyala ko yurtu gole takan yati ga ka abang na dan balama abiya atizo ayanga apon suksim na ati vuzo biyur goma o chanma kashir annab yusuf shifa biam biya karapu ne durgo zo to gobla alquran na kun fayakunu ya nuzazo katabu kafana na kan ala tabarakallah dede ma ka ba ma program ma yulun bona dan cana TV station ma mi yulun bona NTV na won ga fara katishi in yabla mashina tun banne ka zuwar ganda duniya lolo kam ya saya mimi ya anab no ngar ma ya zan ma okay zungo dabsulu ma ya en jila program ma min di yalla kam za hakata sala kul north east region man purgu yalla ngoma mbala ma bas beni ka bo music industry ma ka sahlan karapuni I tell you no lie yil shangabon recorder video shangabon mala I mean show shangabon benanga all about that man the standard to northern music industry ma sa haya the malbuka tan da bambali yil shanga ka da simpson da ethiopia ko puna ka to fumar labe ka bo fumar tana ka tinyatin yin san la tasham ya the zozumo program fully dedicated to the good people in the northeast region yes hey the zodi chanto na biala man parlum konku kati yar programa zo hal mamma ko suran na wannan man parlama da kana zo fe yalanga kan san programa ta nan man parla ya yes before can na de talanya first on the show ma tama la three solid artists straight out man purgu ya alma aka man da purgu ma one man na yin shitu ko legend boy ora to puje le ka bolle na nduma pini featuring Kuba iBoss then ka tin drop first ya for that matter legend boy yela mu yete ka minu ko hayu taba ti yin man we turn the cameras around there's another great talent of an artist karfi yulgo ni shatta sali okay o ba drop yin le ka bolle na mummun je ya na bum moti na won gafara da ne ne pina won sarti to ne kaso ba ti jangoma ne kam ka bayin nan ne moti je ya da ba visual shi la din tele ka tin to presenta ya ti yin mani another artist straight out man purgo ka tana ku ga ya papa aro ba yala mun drop yil palle ka bolle ne yara maria o boren ye ne ya kama yara mara to bo ziri da ne ba ku tana ko ma ye mala ka tana san piana Menazin Food Spices in Tapa Lizzy Tomato Mix, no Mr. Red Motors in Tapa Glamour Heights Nama, Banabe Arsikitima Punuka Program over Kanama, flash of fun, just flash. Unquin Dilla Talon and Labna, first artist Manuel and Wuntana, legend boy, and Tuma Pin Filakati and Tia, the Jankantana.
Hello, good people of Ghana. This is Absonic head office in Tamale here, and this is our agent, Mr. Red Inusa. He is a very trustable agent of Absonic. He has been dealing business with us for more than 10 years. And if young people want to buy motor, can go to his shop. He also have a showroom in Tamale here.
Mava Dantoni, Kajeviela Konsashi, Niyara Wanyela Yung Sabuarle, Ake Ima Karabara, Yingba Makaragarla, Domisombanya, Tempir Moto Mangalabra Tishana Dirta Mangma, Yingba Champid and Garlet Tiramanga, Gwenyan, Yunwatum Shapta Motonema, Tanga Moto Mangakache twice, Domipa Wago Blanya Songa, Absonic Daniela Kanyarango, Absonic Moton Modern Lela Wodum, Guzul Bambara, Absonic Kamal Tool Showroom Tamalza, Bumper Palazuan Mr. Red Bay Nakwaje Enterprise. Kan kamian tol Absonic Moton Polonguna, Ben Lava Jimjimani, Motom Manga, Araha Biari, Guzul Dinanya Absonic Motonum, Absonic Dangma Motonum Soya Pam, Amani Yala Biala, Dinanya Absonic V5, Star, Beyond C5, Tim Michel Welchirala, Campernum Mobuarla Pam, Habi Dungeon de Sogba, Beshebu Tommy, Absonic Moto Kianum Jani, Aloba Dinyo Quambienla, Nerabelbo Pam, Nirida Absonic Moto Tessani, Chirata Susuna Katian Savisar Letrayale, Dominic Patom Mangabiani, Cariza and kyale kpa tuɣuli kam ka zonzo ngili nyɛli chirata sunsuuni ka moto ŋɔ yi mali muɣusigu an tooi labisina ka ti taɣa Mr. Red Bay na kɔhʒe Enterprise sani n tuna chaŋ n ti yuli piiga Absolic moto kama n bɔra ka bɛ niŋdi tu kama tamata domin Absolic tuma di zuɣu karili maa bɛ saɣatila Mr. Red Bay na kɔhʒe Enterprise ni bɛ kɔhiri Absolic moto nim ŋɔ n tiri niri kam dagbaŋ ŋɔ zaa Mr. Red Bay na kɔhʒe sani maa ka ayi chaŋ an laa nyɛ Benelli Motors di gba kuli pali bɛ showroom maa cham ti yuli pari gahim bɛ laa mali RFT 150 Mapuka NNT 150 NNT 150 Sports ka di viɛli fini to dini ka a ʒiya bara Luciano gba bɛni pa sahi kan bɔrili TRK 251 dama moto balibu kam balle Absolic moto nim ŋɔ ni Benelli moto nim ŋɔ zaa Mr. Red Shop maa ni Mr. Red Shop maa bɛla Waterworks a yi tɔɣu polo sirigirina n ya Ghana Water Regional Laboratory maa ka tuuri moto kɔhi so maa to Mr. Red shitɔɣu maa n bala a mi yi tiŋ puuni bɛ Waterworks sirigirina Mr. Red shitɔɣu maa min feel free baa maa kpala taba bɔhimi Mr. Red shitɔɣu maa yɛla o namba nim nyɛla 0243 137223 ni 020 6136 730
Gadam, an miya shishe din ci a baba borin bin zirguna.
Ayo.
To zuwa yin yara la shishe din jan. A baba borin to ba fam. Ni to ka baba di. O yin yellow na fam ba halin. Ka tuma lo yin pibulo.
Papi, papi.
Yeah. Na gwaro. Na gafara.
Ayo be wala. Anye bu fachan manu bile. Nkwe si twe jaran tin non bindir wakati. Ka tri pana ma. To zo anyo aku ti imagine ma she. Lo an twe jaran ta tin zo.
Yes, Lizzy tomato mix.
Yama, gadam no lo amle yama.
Mami ndashima. Nyala Lizzy tomato mix.
Lizzy tomato mix moya de mes zape za saksima ne zakara. Lizzy tomato mix sokam ne barshe. Mampu yala yesu ngo programme ma nguna tu ko empare tu ko empatte mo chana ka warga ka daba ya mena zen Lizzy tomato mix with Red Motors and Tepa Glamour High straight first artist market yen dunte pia ngone nye legend boy I mean legend boy so wala nyade ala afia benia bushi comes a chan didi dinye cham on a very quick one, Chikatana Kuzungle. Chikatiche Alisama Puli Bielfu before Kana until you're chatting in Tropozoma. I mean, legend boy, Wakats and Hakumi, I've been in Wapami Island. But are you Manglia?
Suleimana Mohammed.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Let us add Martin the Kalina.
Warinyanga, Garushi.
Oh, okay.
Kali Steve Bindley.
Okay.
Management membership.
But I'm a Mambia Bundema, all right, that's very good. Very quick one. Chakatana Kuzunga, be a man around la shoe shell, Bushana February. Oh, just a few weeks ago. Wouldn't I?
Oh, there are China pump. Shana Mabraco Jim to the beginner show.
Oh, okay.
Check out Mama Yirat in your dad on the young band.
Wow.
Easy.
Okay. Nilo pam da tap song kan no be.
Nilo pam da tap song. Like the mirror down on the two. I mean last two.
Okay. Last two. Okay.
MPP chairman man.
MPP chairman. So uncle ala MPP chairman ma wa sai go
chairman.
Ora ko mo. Okay, chairman te poya ka.
Santiago Benabao.
Okay.
Joe Motors.
Okay.
Joe Phones Rider.
Beza hakbang bomanga. I mean that was just the muna to kuti liman tinyanya la social de dano bushaba. I mean so many people supported. How should I hear man abira another of this music awards. Okay, later ten Canada Pune and started yila roughly and to take command yila funa ko bien professionally. Command zo yuma la bi dabala chira.
Not started 2018 can started because 2018 can complete SSC now.
Okay.
Kapili
that time I started. So from Denmark to now, and to roughly and you from
then, Halzo, this until come on 17 number.
17 songs.
Yes.
Wow. 17. Out of 17 ma ang ma video no.
Yeah, ma video no.
Kamanda bala.
Video no ba takamma.
Okay.
Ba takamma.
Okay. Wow, wonderful. And to see kaman engineer shaba amin ba no record I mean I record the shop.
No record mo zo ya teaser to record ya stone beat to record ya.
Okay.
Dr. Fiza to record ya. Kana ba ci ba ko minima DK. Ja DK mo da ko mi hit song. Ya to ma mo da ko mi le ba.
Okay.
Okay. So.
Tell me nyanya iya alma I mean the industry there ma unku yohama I mean there are so many artists around that area ma very talented artists and Dinchan ma in the competition ma shama is it healthy the male ala fizanti industry ma be in le ma den to ku industry ma
competition ma ka be le pam because you to do a competition kan mo ko to me to ma
no of course
say ka competition ma ko so kan good to
okay what about industry players Bambini man I mean there are so many radio stations around there ma I put from Irin I put Wali there are so many radio stations being industry players being I've seen that 3 years in Monoka organize our hard bloggers being any man we don't even support that industry
support no so na English man being
okay
wahabo being kacha bank pana baza ko nyala bank ko tabon so ndaji
okay very well the level you shot and drop resume ma nduma pini featuring Buba Eyeballs what's the relationship between Buba
Eyeballs like to Jala brothers we are just like brothers tra meet la when of his music awards man last year
Aba yes I remember
ja mi tra bela category tra pata pam
la o
tra pata
come to dire
ja
ora
award ma
washata ba
mbara paji award shirka ci so kam da kaci drama is the best collaboration kan da kan bo be min da bi la category man artist karama zarabi
la collaboration ma min da
Mendi Donzi nani
okay very well ka baraji la award okay very well tell me la yina ma I mean nduma pini this seems to be you try to selim balama was this how many so pambiane kan ni rutwa le borba aziki bi ka borba dala fi bi ka borba tuntu bi ka bora ba shakam am borle ni bo pamal so ya ban to bunyare to kan le na won ka yembo apima
ando mapine kama sebe boy
okay
da yana o legend boy na kun leyi na pumpon ka benin bakar da jiya bi ka beta to bi ka ba gwarin yin legend boy ana sana ka ta mon gwala ula anyala ando mapine nyaka because sawan gara dan yiwo
no malanga
ai gwaran yin dan jika ula ka so sagara ai o ko do duse ko gina so la so ka to ko yisi yun na kata tin nan do mapine disa imme dun ma
okay
sina banan do mapine tum aka ka yumbala
wow okay mpanyere nye title ma fe nga nduma pini okay
bola ko bangane talent ma ne fans ma ne yella kamza ka
na wona
ka
okay ngo to le kama ngo atodi mpiare ami atiar basse bi
seba ko to anaba ba tan ko melan do pini
awatu gwarmuna
no mugura dika shows kan channa
aw char bangare Oi, mas tá passou ir oi. Não, não nem me acaba chegando garoto ir ya. Ale, muito rato lo homino o sucesso ficou na dundala.
Okay.
Wow, what's you? Big ups to you. DJ Parada Panyela Mumbe, Sankara Radio be na shout out ya kwa dito be ni trend la yitu ama. Yes, the Chankana Kuguma on TV, Vitamin Legend Boy, Pohayo, and of course, video cutting droppers on title of Lela particular song certain drop on Manila, Ntuma Pini, can feature Buba Eyeballs, Obayila Charpon Yalamana, another great talent artist and Balani Manama, two great guys on One Jam, can title Mama, Karano very TPR. Again, to name Yila Manyanya, engineer will email. I mean, sometimes engineers find a magic. Okay, what PTB, Warama Mama. A first time I come to that.
No, no one to me.
Oh, okay, very well.
I may use tracks alataka record sana kala tracks ya ni moi.
The bala
ni moi mana kunya kana kuzo engine.
Wayo. All right. Let's look at the video. Video ma memulate
video ma director Anas.
Director Anas, the #1 director in T-Town. Yes, hiya. Hey, director Anas. O into ma paka na amele ya so kumu na kupo moto.
Director, in yele community because so comes I mean pasa
Okay, tell me I was my pony. I yell come last year, ma. I mean, Arabic into so many categories. Got to D1, B, how many them can? The Batakara. Can you know what the Mabiano was? The Salgabi.
High Life Song of the Year.
High Life Song of the Year. Okay, High Life Song of the Year, man. But when start to vote
to start, Steve Magdalaka vote in my
Steve Matka vote in my okay, very well. So don't want to yell my fast, man. I mean, quickly, they need to vote you. We enjoy social to vote.
Okay.
Kakati.
There's a Eco Guara legend boy, Guara man. Young woman, young voting. Each channel equal dollar star 58 star.
Okay.
Star. And star 58 star.
Okay.
1 hash. Abang kadale.
Okay.
Idale ke channel.
Okay.
Kidal number 2 ni mala. Idal number 2 ni mala channel. Kila andale number 3.
Okay.
I was man High Life Song of the Year.
Okay.
Idale channel. Incha number 5.
Okay.
Ni legend boy wonder beni.
Okay.
Kinya number 5 man. Imi number boss nya ala vote keyboard vote legend boy.
Okay.
Ki yalba nyimbo inya la 50 cedi keyboard vote ko en la 50 cedi. Ndise imi la 100 vote la.
Okay.
Kinya na kadale ban boss ni imi number. Ndise kama number kienya.
Okay.
Legema on be phone shana ma.
Number
ka yenya.
Okay.
Imi la number ma ban boss ni ai bole se vote legend boy. Kini yes.
Okay.
Kadale. Bayel congratulations he voted legend boy.
Okay, so that means I vote man was successful.
Yeah. It may find it difficult me voting. It's like you don't call my mama number.
Very well.
You call he call number ma. You call send a last year and
that number ma man move on.
Come on mobile.
Okay, very well. Very well.
Kanya 054 11 29 524.
Very well. That one number
054 11 29
Okay.
524.
All right, very
It's
well.
an email number ma din yala ibola wul senior min se men yang voting. Be imala tuma kakata me vote ka for send a phone tuma kan voting.
All right.
It don't. Say women complain like never vote man like am be no so concern.
Okay.
It's a vote raten kuto nya ne vote ika kudila award babatati ene yato ashaka ni tongo so
system abang yang
so ngupu sokam no sokam kunya yan tabron sumuma
very well
kumini nkutombe ashaka ya nungula ke chaka ndivi so ya ku chaka tala mpaka award ma example de chaka yumba malengina kacha project the one to pam
lawo
o ikaya to you know yan sokam za malin lo ulis kacha ngombe number 1 se ko laban zani yawa
number lawo inkro kale
bishitan kaso kam za no ko da ya rashi
don kunya shambala ma man punya la yesu mo programme artiste le mukul man purgu ya da wonu ga fara artiste nyala ban kaptuna ni mana I mean très solid artiste kamale sungo batu ko nang segment by segment first one ma katana nang mo o yul mbone legend boy ko trop yel ka bolle na ntuma fini ka jila ma kar fi ci buba I boss street outa char ko superstar ma bala ma ya nku yen so hama katidele la yila ngoma minte de ba yila sab kalabna ntu zunti to apuna ba datam ye on the show ma still inna ma shata sali o banyala mo yen drop video show ma na zungo mo manjeko golle ntapa baba aro o ba malanyila na to drop zungo ka bolle ni yer maara den nam sa hanyala din yan kana show ma ya ni labna
Legend boy again, oh. The man entertainment. Yes, I'm
La Lata is Dubai boss again, no.
Malwara kama maralere kim velia kakasela chakamia langari nuwa nduma pinia de garishele kam bankaya kama marbisi kim maria kakapwa chakamia langari nuwa nduma pinia de garishele kam 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 adam bikam no pini karamalu lebe yelare manfinoni ni ya huma karamalu lebe yelare bajesu kazu walanda manfinoni ni ya huma masta musa wanyelo naba at the same time maru ligiri ama andunya shati menwa mabia sokam kutombori andunya shati menwa mabia sokam kutombori shaba yawuri ne kashe baje sagar dan yibu abo bede bedel pamme sagar dan yibu namdi bede bedel pamme sagar dan yibu bangsembo bede bedel pamme sagar dang yibu fas marbe de dol wan dang yina sagar dang yibu nduma pini ya de gar shelkam nduma pini ya de gar selkam 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 nduma pini ya de gar selkam
Ayake bonabsuka, make you do them chireidos. Bema anibabori, make you do them chireidos. Yeah, when they pretend to love you, make you do them chireidos. Yeah, when they envy for no reason, make you do them chireidos. Yeah, see the hours we they put, as them they sleep with the work mundamu. We see things we've been through.
Alright, yes, sire. Menazin food spices, Lizzie tomato mix, Nitapa Mr. Red Motors, the Glamour Heights in the Mumbiar Mapunuka program maka the Kandamaya, Legend Boy, and Tuma Pinuka to Tuapatama, Mampunyala Yelama, the feature Puba, I was, and like I said from the beginning, ma, guys are very serious now. I mean, they record in the same studio, Sanafas, Gadam Makasi, Unit, Sole, attack on the recorder, ma. They still go the same places for video, Kabamara video, no marker, no very standard quality, ma, and Mamma, and unrespected, the sort of Pamatumanga, Kaban supporter industry, especially Northeast region, Yalamaza, Hanang. I mean, so most of the guys are doing very well. So let's support them and see how far there's a honey and taps on ya. Yes, teacher ma. Pumpo nduma pima uncle Borman and le piel futama. I mean just a quick one, let's go, just get
Okay. Malora kama marlegere kimavelia kakasela
shambala
langari nuwa nduma pini ya de gareselika mankaya kama marebisi Maria kakapo agba chakami ya langari nuwa nduma pini ya de gareselika nduma pini ya de gareselika nduma pini ya de gareselika nduma pini ya de
zalika bwa shara mun lubon nan da larka larmaya but oborwo no take anri kwenye kamkawula na won gafara nduma pinka de ya nduma pinka de bobe anaba je choko landa na won gafara. They don't want the vulture but the vulture is balancing on the air. Then ye shambalama Legend Boy traka to drop attack man ponyalama nduma pini ko boli ya karfichi buba I boss on a very quick one tatinyanya social media handles man. I mean YouTube, Facebook, Facebook. Okay, you didn't use it.
Channel YouTube Legend Boy nyaka.
All right, Legend Boy.
Channel page mas Legend Boy.
Okay, all
Facebook.
Right.
Legends Boy.
Very
Facebook,
well.
Facebook man pass like
okay.
To Legend, I can Legends Boy.
Okay.
We don't worry you ma. You go tell the nana music.
Okay.
If you the nana music, go sub Legend Boy. You may yina.
Okay, very well. Antonio Gilana Masa.
If worry you comes like a bella Benny.
Okay, very well, very well. To Rubaya. All right. Once again, didn't Kabor Gilana Mumaza Hanam Bayindi, Kanabun Kong Ayan Yelisha Pulubet and the Yarma Arabian number and Mafia Yelanga, Antubo number Moya 05411938828. And again, didn't Kabor now supported Legend Boy was Uchella into awards competition Puni, Karmal Pukata and Futan Pana, Antu Tapsongo, Kafutan Maka, Chanfin Yelanga 05411295224. Antu Lahabol number man or then 05411295224. Lela number Momazaha, Antu Bolia. I bolle na won gafara aminu po hane yotaba kato ato support son la the award scheme mama katiza hanya de yen champion yelanga ya. So try and support this young guy. All right, Legend Boy tisa hama dankare mampunya yeso very pack album very pack show katiza on the kanaya bara mi banam ka ko na po katinya nyatinye ndi champion
nkwe ma kutukwa zana kwa tepuru mampuruza.
Okay, very well.
Kachana mpuru Bune Dauda Entertainment.
Okay, very well.
This manager Alasan, the team president.
Okay, manager Alasan. Asane.
Yeah. Kapusir Bosu Kaka.
Okay.
Bosu Pusir Englishman.
Okay.
This Tunko film music. One go promote ma Afaza Karian ko promote ma hala kan.
Yes. Afaza Karian is one guy who's
Kapur manager Dauda, personal manager Lama.
Very well.
Pur Panchana Pur boss Buntere.
Okay.
Pur Stanifa Buntere.
Okay.
Pur Motos. Pur Santiago Benabao. Kapur Alaji Miro. Come let's do business. All
right. Dokubama on a very quick one. I was ma. I am a safe match can vote in here. Okay, but I was man in London actually.
Okay, no 13th match.
13th match I was my okay, very well. Don't kunyesham number shama the party scheme as ma kamanda punyelma antu bolla number ma any detail information ka bora antu bolla be aborma na tap son ko to win the award ma number ma jala 0541129524 again 0541129524 I bolla be I mala support 1 Ghana be 2 Ghana 5 Ghana kamala na to tap son ko till la particular category shell umbiani nima denen yin of East Music Awards na nga fara antu tapson ya ba track ma de yimna ma ya yes track ma don ku yimna ma antuma pini featuring Buba iBoss. Thank you so much for coming to Poya Kapapam Alasan manager Al Hassan Miliar Mazaha to Poka Pai Mapuya Yesungo food pack and na so in Chapsela Legend Boy, and we turn the cameras around another artist straight coming out North East Region Maya and love now.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Waruna kumezo maya nzoro ganda menasin food spices lazy tomato mix and tapa Mr. Red Motors ne Glamour Heights nama banambe arzikiti mapuno ka denchan puro gramo aka da kan on TV your favorite #1 star of a presenter the trend ya pupa na ya mampu yala yeso program atishil mukul mampu ya halama sa hanan banyindi first interview man gar ya den Legend Boy got to drop into mapine santa featuring Buba iBoss and straight we're hitting you from mampu ya halama with another one Shatta Saleh is in the building tiyan drop la mumunje ya ne ban karti bandati bantutu na won gafara amma insha Allah rabbi bi motije ya ma waragale katidi nduma waragale katidi shi yan ma ya buku kola nyirga okay den kati ku yelezo den kati yelezo and for that matter nkwenza Allah sana katana wa arma marhaba ya Shatta Saleh
ya digi
dinya wula da soya yin ma sabi wula alafiya beniya ina mu yira ni da can la Kumasi bi Accra ki beni ma Kumasi ma sanya wula alafiya beniya all right on a very quick one so am dia yema problem kan bon yer program so okay so teacher ma Shatta Saleh mama ya I really name yala wula
really ai Tahidu Saleh
Saleh mo I really name kula Tahidu Saleh oh okay tin kana ka yina mampurugu ya alma
kacha tin shama yina yala bado amala zambulugu
okay zambulugu okay very well
so ngala zambulugu katombe na lerugu ba okay zabulugu bene ka bado iya bado amala zambulugu
okay ya kana ka abi kaman dinin ki mbunun chambeni wali ka yin pa ngbalgi yani bi na lerugu bi ka baga so kana ka yin dolin pa beni
tisa an kwanye temera wala pana wale kuma daga na lerugu sore
aba
pana na lerugu ya dolla kodurko ne briji manwa
aba
ndu zaranta nfiya
okay
pa zaranta ba primary school ma tetun sore ba ku dala bene te sai zuru ban na nya dan bulago
superstar wa bi mane da samsu da a can ni mane tun mi shukuru selba
ye na bene
insha Allah rabbi dan ya amin da sai dream din can fe yana ga ya yes so yanga bukum ya ala salima bukubu na ala salima kama yin tun don pune sali ka kubu na ka shata momi an zan shata ma parma
dan ne sai shata ma ndisa mai shata ma wani na jana back of Jesus
oh okay
atra nan candidate we aba dan kan to ma nickname na bor ka ba kaba ku go ma kan me no ko a kena ka ba bor na
oh okay
so shata ma pya
before ka sali mo ka
dan sali ma no wala a de ka kan Shatta Saleh
okay very well
no
I really no ko pa de no ma de chan fe yanga I mean going forward if I shall teach on to no biela Shatta ma ngura ba mal ba ka chile la sali mo ma ka de
so ai Shatta Saleh ma ben ba ina bo to bor ma mon progo pense ma Gazali
oh Gazali oh wula Gazali mi ya
kacha Gazali bin yala wala o nadam naba
oh okay nanama babanna won ka bunu Gazali so la ya alma ba sama sahama balle so ne banama to mi gbanna nya chable denye cha yes Saleh yana baya na zamu solo ni nan ma za hamin na nyungure ya wato wani gbara nan tire ya kimir ba jini bana rap kin nya single rule nya ya polo to nan ma bi za na mono ya so ko le be yanga yes tele mun nya an start yila I mean kaman yu malam mono how long ka no yila
tisa mpiri yu mala 2016
okay almost 6-7 years in Panama. very well. The champion yanga. And to think man yila tebala ka record it and start professional music.
This is that pila demo.
Okay. Of course.
Danya you ma almost 4 tracks demo man. Kati demo man to a master demo.
Okay.
By then that record last on few tracks.
Before I record master songs. Okay.
It's a master songs ma occupy almost 6 by 5.
Okay, 6 or 5 songs. And I mean my video, be our first video
first video na
our first video na wow. And it doesn't look your like a first time I'm gonna my video because man your video ma be and trust me, I mean the team you guys did very well, especially in my video mama di partially way agbapon ndro you put economy to ma wadaha Gabriela ko mama maybe the shahara na yina video sharing in drop mama ya di partially team video ma abang na bankaman the team and the director they did very well on that song ma ya. All right tenenya anami nang amamang show be concert be launch I mean ka ba ko zaita ma ntamla amamang the 12
tisa na me first show ranan kala half okay da bela saf ka trano first show
okay
masi first dunkwa
okay
dunkwa ma mangbatang panganda
okay
so tisa bena ka tra jangan na la show ma kala na manda beten sha ma ka trana na free show ben
okay very well okay
after bena ma ka tukuna nof nof ma trana organize show dum kamo tansa abanasi
okay so lala show no young polo show no ma ba da na ndanya so this happen now okay all right so but animal plans na no another show
tena plans but corona ma wana chana this time ma
corona ma wa the damti but maybe you plan that in case ka maybe corona ma ba to vuru biara
tra plan to bash tena show da ba lo ba but corona ma chana say ma ka tena
solo
say ka tena relax
could work around the projects so that how you could be before Corona Mati and move man the songs will be popular. All right, I think that's very great. The Changven Yanga fam. I mean, we are still around to Kusuru Minatinya now near Vula and Duma, Kachitisham Katala, Pipia Kupunia, Dawala Katin, Ala Makatan, the Zira. Tinya, apart from you shall androp Moma, but Mumunjoma, last time shall androp either, you didn't the title.
Last time man dropped like desa karanya la feature man swanda feature
okay
kananya last track after last track mam na record
track mo ka record all right tell me particular track mo mama I mean title mama de na dam de mama title ma I mean bomonji
bara mama no momonji
okay
karatu ma
keraso timbiya yes title mama mala ya mumunji muti jeya yes zangwacho yila mana katinyanya I mean sometimes title man manla mano nina kunyi title man la lenu karman la ngapsu ka bona shabatel
ma ka battle na lifestyle no be okay no mama man life
ka so
na kan kwa kala mela track ma
okay very well mutiji okay I mean detailing in the song ma what I Bukabona yelti fans ma be Bukabona yelti Bandwela yila ma fune
oh is a kan you man one concern se mi la kamo hale you kono ai tana no siro ma kaswa kam ya ja ko so
la muna anabma manga muna wo ma anabna ra bi
so mala kamo yin nan bane kaswa bore in e chang to ne ka bori down for
aba
mo halante monja
na ka fara okay
so mbutam kay no la ayu ma fune kay no la bara mo mana mo monje
kaya
karatu ma tutuje na bugu biar ngwa kala kanje malla bugu ni nga kumbare be bara mo mana mo monje karatu ma tutuje na bugu biar ngwa kala kanje ha kala kanje madame la bala kamar zang la kankansi dia nyala kankansi kanyen zang me kankansi kamba zang kankansi katanya wanyan to pasang kansi sale ne sin fari ka futa komanda ma kasanda ma manje ngomanda ma kasanda no vubiyo komanda ma kasanda ma manje ngomanda ma kasanda no vubiyo
oi yira ba zang to akapule no munum popsra napkadum da onala kom no ya kay no popsaran bom na to woge muni yin cha na ga faram malbaga na zo shi o bora lo she dem bela no bu mala sa popsu kare ya tutu amma komi ya ne na titti table ne na won kadariya kaman ban muti je ban dat na ga fara don da ya na damti dan gara zo on wadan jinsi tun ku zalfe mu ma ta zan maya yes saya shata salim bala ma ko drop yelle ka bolle no monje ne bu moti je ya na won ga fara ngwar man ku de flash of break at sang la particular yele wa de videos an tada kan labna nti ye pi to adaba ay pour ma yala yeso full pack no is region show ka tan ya da so retan kan tanga de chana on TV shata salim monje tan labna
Dole beat, give me the beat. Don't go the far, the jingo. Silence and carry the foot. Bara mama na mamanje, karatu matutuje. Never get one kalakanje, malabuni ngum barbe. Bara mama na mamanje, karatu matutuje. Never get one kalakanje, malabuni ngum barbe. Bara mama na mamanje, karatu matutuje. Never get one kalakanje, malabuni ngum barbe. Shata sale yeah. Whoa. Shata sale yeah. Whoa. Bara mama na mama nje. Karatu matutu. Na fuker mo kala kanje. Manda mila bala. Kawanzang la kankansi. Dianya la kankansi. Twanyanzang me kankansi. Kambazang ang kankansi. Katanya wayan to pa sang kansi. Salene sinkari kafuta. Wamanda makasanda ma. Nje wamanda makasanda. Wamanda makasanda ma. Nje wamanda makasanda. Wamanda makasanda ma. Kasanda ma. Dige dola yelmu. Nje wamanda makasanda ma. Matabara yelmu. Dige sakos yelmu. Dige kafana yelmu. Nje wamanda makasanda ma. Kasanda ma. Bara mama na mamanje, karatu matutuje. Never get one kalakanje, malabuni ngum barbe. Bara mama na mamanje, karatu matutuje. Never get one kalakanje, malabuni ngum barbe.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Is it Tomato Mix and Department in Food Spices, Mr. Red Motors, the Glamour Heights, yeah. Okay, Mampuya, yes, full packet channel. So to go and burger Mabia channel, Chata Sale, or video cut to drop a time, Mampuya video, Mabualemo Munje, quickly, one man could be a Camino Pohayu, Tavia. Yes, Mormon and dedicated young Mazanta Mamma Chamani, Mourinho Mayor, Major Balama, Tamun Kukomaka, Warma, Tekanaka interview one. I mean, that's a very good guy. Yes, just that artisma. Being yellow, being chilling. Well, I can remember the last time Shelly meet about artists that I learned Sapashina, our nation. Didn't you told me I don't want to blame you? I mean, we'll car and now, Bambla. No artists know I can that. Now, my uncle be no lad, but we have a shower. All right, big ass to you guys, big ass. Okay, nuna kuwa na nang shamyala. I mean, video share na kudrop ngoma. Mbor man atama number share di nang kanir mo borle. Beno tu WhatsApp ka send link ma taba. Bi kaman bi borle mon audio ane tu send taba. Antu bol number share tama. Hadi kunye number 1 ba.
Number share kan bene yala 054.
Okay.
28 02.
Okay.
449.
Okay. Very well. To learn la bol kangu.
054.
Okay.
28
aba
02 449.
To na babla number ngoma ya. Yo maka bibi kantanga. Tun drop video shelter ma ba moti jongoma ya. Mumunji shata sali o yila mambala antu WhatsApp la number ngoma. Ka sene audio mata bi ka sene link mata karbi agba funi ka lera pui kana bulne sa won ka NTV to drop le tana ya. Agba yem malama afun funi le ya. To la la munata nyanya. Mulen ma la video ngoma. Joe Gamele Male. Oh, Bosma Mama, the biggest director in T-Town. Joe Gamele Male, engineer will be Bitma.
Obella Faf. Dollar music.
Dollar music. Oh, okay. Ambition pour le marco. Okay. So video ma yon kabara ma bi
Trama kala tuma.
Yon ki ma. Oh, okay. Very well. All right. The champion yanga ya. I mean working with Juma, Daniel. I mean come on bar video ma drama tension, be pressure be I mean alisema da bien ki kumba me kata bien shelka.
Pisa don't say all. Monsieur come ko bola confidence. Emal confidence is so. Sure. Kacha, this is the first time kacha na ma video. Okay. So ndabo suru bana ma sisi. Dunyala wala kanya wala kursu ma yana la moyen na mo. Yeah. So by then kama mama go feel comfortable. Okay. Katranga. Pisa. Monsieur come da changera. Yeah, that's great. Bomotije ya. Yes. Shatasale kama neponyala ma number na ma denyala 05428024449 05428024449 o number la ma anto bolbe be on WhatsApp le ka send video link na ma santa ya katinyenye tisa hani impushi gila ngoma chanson. Let's talk about collaborations me featuring them. I mean anon collaboration shall be animal plan with team and in collaboration me featuring them. Collaboration why to amana to plan na but na banyang aya to ane but na kumala to mine that. Okay. Say that no collab. Okay. Then ka be ni mani kala be yon ka be man program. I mean team be manager kamala. I mean mule baba aye to aka yi da ma de cha. This is a kala team. Okay. Kaya management team. Okay. Kala team. So besan ha bien mo ko support la. Okay, very well. I mean be shabe donc abi commence ka be ma ba. Donc quoi. Comment sur le carbe et pas commencer pas la boiser. Okay. Oui, ala ya la commence on va. Kresu. Habitu. Teno bule yon. Yes, I mean, mun ka ko borna po hi ban ko support the song da I mean musically, family wise, friends. I mean, an ko borna po su comme ça. Disa. Nerbo ngozwa pambat. Tout un pour soi quand. Yo, sure. Ba man ko pousser mais là. Pour Salenis za be Salefans za. Okay. Jana table management ma. Jana passer ai manager ai boss mejo. Okay. On man pam kacha video man. Yes. One da organize bon yara ma session tika na video ma. Alo bara ratre ma directors. Of course. One bella pa o midin channel. Yeah, sure. On a même point d'avoir son artist so experience wise he has been there since man. Otala nakani. Lavo. Otala nakani. Ko ma ta fe ya la ko. To so ma duma na won ko mo she ma de cheka nya ka ni turia. Na on ko sa. De je chamba da ba yiri no ba ni mu da sinye la korle. Suru ko bila ko mo de tra de enma ko wote kan la nya filang ba agba ya bo. So nyi de non de yadanaya. Ba tal ko le. Alright, Shatasale katizande monje sang di video bazanta ya mampo yala yeli nka por yila ma antu WhatsApp number shanga tempatiski ma soma 0542802449. There's another number lambian me 055 kana no 55 ya kana 15633 dinang ka number shelter the boy to lema kana no PCB kare engage ka kutu fani awechu nyimbol ma number na 055 kana no 55 ya kana 15633 antu chaka amin wa arma Shatasale ki po hayu tabya yes chekan ko zan ka chapso ka ta flash camera na ma ba kala la na with another artist mo po yela yesu mo full pack ya mo purgu ya no ma ka to bi papa aro banyela mun kana with yanu mara ni marshal ya de banyela den kana shortly on the program ya den chana on the TV in labna.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Neya saya besar mun de ya jakan ya pu ka pa pa man na kuno ya dezant NTV ngoma man pu yala yesu ngodin chan programa ta shile mu kul man prugu ya saya meme ya andam no ngar masan of East region bas ndam de bata ka tsan kap kana tu wona ta min ba po hati yo ta ba na won ka for first one ma de legend boy ka ta drop nduma pinisanta ya second one ma nyala shata sali ka ta drop bu mom monje ya okay we turning the cameras around another great talent of an artist is coming to you won ye baba aro ka ta yin drop yil gandele ta bu bolle men yar ma arya ni rin marte jire na won ka fara aku malban shanyin proof le so welang ma so shiri yo ama chakan labana titega ka bang na mina sen Palisi tomato mix na Mr. Red Motors the Glamour Heights nama bananye bambe alse kiti mapuna ka program ma ka de kan na maya on a very quick one Mr. Red Motors ngoma obiela fukum se punu na Absolic moto balle kamza ha ambora combien ka bora mapuka ka bora yelo be moto kin ka bora kar kunye Absolic brand nyende la nan jan chilia nyenku pang ma man ko wata wasa pal da ngoma poi kana para na about ma anu dirgo so bombo ne shane free bala ka chele kale anuza anye ni mane ka Mr. Red Motors kar shamni mane adimini nyala ayila apolo serkana ay ku ya ay Ghana watanam regional laboratory ma dehe ni nombre kabla bagasia ay ku chantu le biela abatanda atente moto no mane Mr. Red yala mun ku shamni mane ya pambi pangman puni ka Absolic de moto balle kam ka bora imma ana ku yen darra moto na won ka fara ka bana pun ready ka raincoat no ready ka helmet no ready magbana ngoma ngona genuine people sembala ka dil kan nan banjine kara puni ya lala nyala kan lisi tomato mix aba man dutumbu program ma puni akwa rabantirgo be atora tun don puni kamal bukata na kamanto si ni pangma man ka bumba lisi tomato paste ya okay lala nyala ka Glamour Heights ma amini pangu mani ya ku darma tan naba nyala den ta arabu anin ngoma ku nyala den funfu kades ka nya bipom bala ka sabru ngoma karamala na handa pangma man ka pa ka Glamour Heights ma bannan a pedicure kan na medicure na won ga fara kamala asabru mo fi nyala ga ka chaka bi pol annaba tahar mo bi annaba ngoma da bi chan fi nyala ga bi yansan la annaba ngoma non ku turim puni ndole ngwale inshale kamal mal fi nyala ga kan nyum jang ta ya ka ton be shi so ka ba furu le gutta den ye shambala man pu yala ye baba aro yala mun tera ka tiyen san yara ma arsan ta ya straight ka talalam na studio ma puni ntunu wa arma marhaba ya babs kawla jale da soya yin ma sanya wula ba sabira ma nda puye ne sungu program ambulan to ahman porle ka to ahman porle hala ka program atna badi ku vamana lahma da tana varma ya yes poi kan yina yele to ala kamza ha I mean first time za ha ni en Bangladesh an artist day man ni man ya ala ka bunu baba arungma there was a track and wum kala yila ngwa ka na nan man yasin pa was za ha min tin shi za ma sharma bi ha usatin shi ngwa hal addinin mamman yatme su do bomma yato ka ba yana na addinin mamman da yulma islama dinal islama da gubrama na su do da dini addinin mamman din matabla ni jama kutu jam dinin ka suhdu amamba ara yila yil balle na ka bolle ni suhdu kala yila ngoma ka danan man yasin pa lyrically style wise yato ada bi punu pam na ku yelma bole ra chaka timile la yila ngoma
like ndako pane kaman mampur mo jama man ku man yala bibolo ba man duana ko nya karatun man no tanwa na tanwa ba ko to ara be tanwa do dol tanwa ngata buru bani da bagata na man be na man ni da bagata la bisi man duana bi da na ko kala so kan su kuma kan tugu de la dingan la man puru bisi ma na ko la pam ni kura ma ina ko zam ba hankali sha ta bu gum be ta bu ni chala be diane wow so lalanda bi hankali ni kan yiskana parce que là nous n'avons pas donné une couleur passée man pour vous pied na de ma yema yes mais dit na va to ma la shiriga bohagu irum sa gamne de ma kabaza mare ulbul gamne ma umma la nya shanta ka kanya sudwa
wow bisa hamal la ba salma
ba yema ubulu yuri kai malaka biya kanya sudwa zan karman furgu Allahu akbar andin kan la pa kai silayu de chanvin yalanga tukun nan biam no bona vul bielfu kan ku borle foi katanage ni yana maare yeto apuniya lala yila ma kan ku bora bielfu
boyul ma babaro ne poi kampilka ma pergo de yum pamfilka kanula yaguma BBC yawuma yawuma ninkura yawuma yawuma nachilma yawuma bipola yawuma ya ne ya wo ma pero ko nyala te ya dam boni do so go te boni ya mani kami ko tam sing man la jalli ke lung ma te nya yalli do so go te bon taba wala taba man taba wayo kasuna taba kuku jai tibazie kuumi kuum he kuku jai tibazie kuumi kuum adu kusunti aba winengi finne kibana ganni de kulawga yalli balante de to dot jonni aba tngama habba tngama dicira tirma to dula kati makaya ne kati yanja tirma to dula kating makaya ni kati yanda yawuma BBC yawuma
yes
yawuma eni yawuma
zakusulo makuyela yongo manguna mama ndakusula asalma kadane shirti zongo ya but it's just by the way katisang letana is about peace of Mampurgu. I mean to the enviable of many nirgo pam to lele na anga fara karenya kama na woni yadda na woni yorlam de Mampurgu so pa tang sepana bala biale ya abdial pam kana won tahma kara shibu so kam Mampurgu kala dahma makara ku kane yes na won mama yala man bidi bi parbi nanda di anyanga agba panga man ka ku boble ratu ne den ma sa hamin bamba shawara puni ato shanga don ku bena ma den ku boble karishiyama de so de simsene de zannan asahabi apin wasa kalle jamle la pisha te enjoy ngoma ka tambu shel kana te tamni ma ne kala na tizaya to ku boble ne ka sat taba ne ka wum de taba hey di yana aku digi bi di jere kane no ne ter yarla especially the people ngoma ya that's a very wonderful one. Big ups to you and whoever was behind it ma akwa ma pam on a very quick one teacher ma a real name yala be bunku na baba aruma ayulun ku ba
you man yala bando ama ban ngala suna Muhammad
okay aba
so kan ya do zang man su bambo na baba kan yana na yu ma kazi aro na yu aro su kaman turbo ba su ma do
oh to lala ma ya okay so baba mo de nyala dundon yuri
la
to
suna wa yu ma nya
Muhammad okay
so aro ma me yu mo kan yiska
aba so ki zange dundon de dana mo
mbo ne ka Muhammad baba
aro okay Papa Alu. All right, that's very wonderful. Mampurgu ya adun ka yina. Di pashala yare to ama Burgu. Okay, yakule sai ka. Okay. Aba. Okay, all right. I'm not sure the main language so wapa.
I don't know the book kachana ba.
Oh, okay. All right, very well. How long can on the yida? Uncle Hamanga come on ajini yida how many years?
2015 campaign
2015 to now. Okay. Roughly how to years shall uncle you cover how many songs are
you? Marima Pau 10.
Okay, that's very good. And to video the bash of the Balaka, I mean
come on pass a lot 4 videos come mama. Wow, that's very great. And recorded Yelena, I mean engineer Banam San Kako recorded kind of 20 immediately tag to the day. Okay. Benzima Dr. Fiza, okay. Tizo. Wow. At least the pump company. Okay, engineers ma pump camera. All right, that's very good. That's very good. Telenya, and I mean, I'm among show be launch be. I mean, show someone on the pump. I know. Mampuru one show to Kale. I know. Oh, okay. I mean, show Accra, Nima City, Adi, Madina. Okay. Shows Kumasi Asawasi. Okay. Wow. 5 times again. Oh, okay. All right, very well. And shows mom is a had champion. Successful shoes. All right, very well. Telenya, Mampuru ya alema kama the one lang kan de pumba. I mean, ni ma competition get pam. Pass ma ya. Competition ma. Wala kana le non dia. Like kan you say ma Mampuru wan to ku pona o de kuma la o bansu ma zo ala. Kapiala. So bansu ma zo ma to ku bola te kartawa. Gitu mshe banza Ishi something like that. Okay, totally we use chatting and drop us mama. Yermara. Title was so kind when you battle. No. Oh, okay. Maraka de Baguya battle so. Oh, okay. Yermara kunyala very simple. Okay. Check and see Yermara Nanyala like oh northern region be no official. Okay. Abi let's see Mampuru. Na dagbang mo tin pang la tama shi yu mama no
do tin yar sun yu mana pam
Okay.
tin yar sai ma da bukura
Yes.
ba safa din wannan na ba artist din shi mala ho ko kada la kabar na
Okay. Laranguna.
so din chaka artist yar mara nan ya la like o babaro yi sir yar mara video palo zuna NTV wa
Okay.
kan yin dag bana bi man purga kai nan nan bi man purga bi dag bango ka go video kai na ai baro yar mara video ka wucin stone boy kucin ya raputu kan ma ka to kan won kun ma kan wasu
Oh, okay.
so means ni yar sai ma ira sila nan buga pipu ne nai ma zara nya man fans kan ko ya mama kai yalla la ka 5 yin dole so means 4 fans kan pa ma ga
wow
ibo amana ma
Pam, aku wurin nan ma
ba inyala yin ku be no don ruje ma ka babaro yisi yar mara na kan kunya ka yuni ran ka Afrika
yes
babaro yar mara wani kunya yuni kan ki yi da ko gwa ka benin gar duniya zaban yuni ma
okay
ba uyan san la benin yan no
ku no sa
to oku sargan bargi shebe yan no duni
no lamuna malla lamuna
to kuma wani yadda shi ba sa fa din yadda izinga like tiku zan ma video directors ko I pass off it was on one area call 1,000 something
yo sure
ba ko one show ba ko zuwa la so tina na hotin yin Japan like no office region ta TV station so yana yi benin pa na tamale kazanya wahalan
no of course
yan ma video karnya shi ta tamala wahalan ya so kana tin mur on wa yanda yan PR to ka concept da mo ka ba PR ma da mo ki nun yara ki ne riyun su ma atisi me yun ka kabun bi ki kolo o kan ya yun ma vela ama won bi kan jala next time dila no mo be i mo pun tuni ra no mo kan no mo
de chala be yalanga
de yala
de funa de
so den chaka ti se bar ma ara min pi arshe ba ma bale
okay
le banchang ya pam yani bagba ya pam ale banchang ya pam yani bagba ya pam ale
barma
yar mara mo bo shi yar mara mo bo shi yar mara
them say them go far where them go we don't want no lie so mata dem shirya
bulma
na salwa da fasolo unko yeso ha makati chanti de yarma video ma kallam na ya din chana NTV baba arumbala yarma video katin de tin lamna
bulma babaro mapurugo rules mas ella no paka african yaman target le banchang ya pam yani bagba ya pam ale baja ya pam yani bagba ya pam ale
Sizzle, keep me going.
Yaramara, mama moziri yaramara, mama moziri yaramara, mama moziri yaramara, mama moziri yaramara. Yana bam arma, benya ma bal arma, kana bam fugriya. Kutan zamala don tori, fansi yazuzu kubayori. Ide umbaba, jege umban sonaba. Umban sonaba. Mambarugo. Ya jeka suzia. Tumi ya twala tibia. Kanko tomsu manna walia. Kang manna nabia. Mabaru chang la katinga. Sang marigo bulia kagunga. Ndise bagomno wodunga. Mampura katoya wananga. Nzigo bulu matuja.
Ne yesaya baba aro video kat drop ta ma ya yarmara we don't want no lie so the mate shiripa tan no ku yira ma tan bala ko shiriya so be ma so shiriya ya yes na ba changla walu ba changla kantanga banangla bo ili
ba chang ma bale
ba ku chang ma bale
ba marama ale
ba te kazo ni all right, on a very quick one, na kubora number shali, ti bor video mo ma bi ti bor la audio mo ma. tende to nyale ya bolle te makanya nya number shell kan na ko bora
kan nya 050
882
6604
6604
so it will video be you no ma text ka WhatsApp ba do call ku text ka
definitely ba sene ina mata amal Facebook amal abi Facebook
ku type Facebook baba do Mohammed baba do
okay
be baba aro
okay you will ma be ni mani all right no benda no of is North East Music Awards ma arabi ko ni yo ba na ba faale ko la ba faale
man ka la habari
labo ana ba diri la habari oh okay but all right don't want to challenge another day video ma nguli ma yil shelton drop ma
Kim Big Studios
yo be
Kumasi
oh Kumasi ka attempt ma video ma so bi pombe shabambe ri punu Kumasi be ma aba
ba so be be lesi no de nan kunyo
labo college Kumasi ma to mala habale mun sane za shi ma mun mal gun ma oh ya bebe ya wa ba bo amuru na ba
to tinti nyama
mboro ni cha ya wa ya ba ba no bi stay boy number 1 now that at number bizin ko ye dupa lai wa zo mi ba we ya wa ba na hat pam yes te mi ba ba aro po ha yoro ta ba ya ma da ka te drop san ta ya number nan bian ka na tu bol be ka WhatsApp le ka ba send video links ma ta da ni 0508826 6 ya hakana no 04 once again 05088266604 Antonio la particular ina ma anta pa baba alo o yela nam sa hanan banyin de ka borle Antonio le de punia all right te la manati nyanya I mean amal plana no show be concert be I mean jama be shell project be on the pipeline
tomorrow plans pamba then nan ka COVID-19 na jana ni shima na jika tana kufa
yes
because like Ankara yi chante ba show ben be Kumasi ka nan ka tramala album ti isna ba ka champam ba duro ana chane is ka mi sa sha ban ko nan lockdown
yeah sure la no so minna na ku katla tawa
to so lazu tana ku fona ba ma plans pamba video nyanga ma ko go sur do ma ko piso ma ka video nyala kan
no there's something I hear the video now I mean these are some of the videos that you shall need the video number I mean time of the day in the don't put something in that so that I mean when we keep talking to people at least they'll be informed that so dunya la tum barba shao hal kam man provoke ko I mean tana ku shi ngo ngona to ama ya I mean che ka ta ba che no dunum gal si apam so dunum wa try ka on the video it will be of great help to all of us hal enti one ma would like to put it on our all right the lamana tinyanya very quick one nsa ma di bigal si din san ka amal na santi I mean a colleague musicians ban be ma provo ya alama sa ha
mo ko mara shelen pashan zan pa hawanya la tu ta
aba
the Twitter go haran shi na tawa
okay
like so company ni sala zanya ni sala
yeah sure
and you man is all about faith
yeah
the time ina kucha na to na ka ba da ba ta bakana
yeah no sure
so ina kuma rabi na man ngo hanyar nya na bangana ta ba jirma sa
wow ma yitu aki yelma o na ra chaka su barkar mallan yin ku yina ma ni yimna ma
ah so bla empire ma
wo nuna ya ma'arni yar ma'ara yes yeah tell me nyanya I mean I am team be management of jani ka yila ma ka de channel fe yala I mean do supporting you ma
team ko bene
okay
ba na ko bola son sampa
very well
my team ba like you know me artist mana hal na ne team ko go bamba
no mami nam no bamba de was sa anda sha
kam la team ka ba mu ro bamba man
baba
na on ko yo ba sam
very well ampo nya team ma ba ku bi pour ni table song da I mean generally ba ku song la career and to
ko so ko channel nda azabu sani
okay
mamar gago abakari tohir buntana
okay
to pass 99 bullet bunche ni $12 dema
aba
ki hona bu matai si ni boy na dema chance zanye original BB
yes
big up to you
all right
as you mo pam nta pusere pu gamen zantare an parba mbanye papula ma
okay
like aziz na ba no kuma za ba mo pam and kama pu gahne kambo yole antare Mr. Razak
okay Very well.
One could check a mission you might telephone man.
Lao. Oh, okay. Okay, very well. Obila Tanakobi. Okubia Yama. Oyuma, Lapulu. Mr. Razak. Okay, Lapu, Pam Lapu, Lapu. Oui, Mr. Razak. Halma Pura, Mr. Razak. Itu Zola. Itu Zong on the message. Acha can phone Dungwa. No, Mr. Razak Pussy. Yamalaka Pima. You look at the board. All right, yes. I'm na san fahya ka to kwalfa
mama ba mu kusumba
pumo wo sore
ba dulana
to
kusugo ngo kan pure na ntime nyoba te tariki jimanja
ba dulan ma abambala nama o na yiga ina kanyin biya ni na binya ka to kwa ni abu mai baba to pon selti tama ya na ndi so
ka pure mama munatu
mbo
pure pa mbesa idrag denza sister glory de ma no kapu sempo au mambo puwa
pomba
mpo amampo
dipa kumno kwa
wo bani to kapu au me busu swa
mampo binare boy yele taw
o ko bani ne wanya me bu kwa jiwa
arbo yutu ka
yesa ko bura
all right feket yeser kapu kapa ngon kamza hanan katar ka badin chan programa mampo yara yeso wa te kala programa san kulman programa ma programa adama sa ha I mean the love coming through from that area is so deep, so deep. Tukutu upal yule mun kamza habe mamprego kona kamza ha hadi kupa north I mean Accra going beyond Ghana ba nanga fara mampresi nyela bambe all over the world America I mean hal na mekuno program ka yar mamprele biara ka so bol ma from Canada shaba ma from Australia ka yar mampresi nyaba ban sa ha to puro ka para de baba ne bambe Kumasi bambe Accra bambe Takoradi bambe Cape Coast bambe Sinyo ana min techi man za ha mamprego mun kamza ha bi dunia on pune ka lere den program atom po ka pa ya yes thank you so much for coming to pour le capable so comme ça handang ba yindi en pas cher
pusula mbi koburi
okay
koburi wanda bo bijama ka obe video
oh mun bo na ma o ban tomburu namba ya ko nyini to namba jam ka batama namba ma production team as always Abigail nyala mun in charge of the cameras Ahmed Bela MCR Shahir nyala mun be MCR Accra Ntepa Jacob ba general manager nyala Mr Enoch Afeko Jobo Aten is the CEO of AKB Multimedia marhaba nandam biye salma ka bam gar ko ga no dirgo tan so kan no sa prepanga ma ni ko nyel kam ya salma yim ka sa tan ko ko la ko ko man panga Muhammad Hafiz the trend we out bye bye salam